Okay, today I am going to teach you how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. It doesn't have to be a cube. I would recommend starting with this. I don't know, instead of starting with a 2x2. So first, I'm just gonna mix it up. Okay, so you want to find the piece with black and red, or black and, this one has red. So you want to, if it's up here, you twist it to the top, twist it up, and you want all the dots to be on this layer. How do you put it up in the slot is you put it directly under it, and then where it's on the right or on the left. In this case it's on the right, face this side, pull down, pull over and pull up. Wait, so now we need to find black and green or black and blue. Well, here's a black, okay, it's black and blue. It's on that layer. So we're going to come to the one with the blue. In this case, it's on the right again. And ta-da. Now, it's on the side, so you want to bring it down, go over, and then bring it back up. But it not, okay. Scratch that. I messed up. So, there's ones right here. Go ahead and pull this up. This is, now, okay, in this case, it's on the bottom. To get it off the bottom, you pull it directly under. The block is supposed to be in. Pull it down, switch it. It might go like this, or it might stay right here. If it stays right here, go ahead and pull it up. If it doesn't, go ahead and pull it up anyway. And you'll switch it and go like that. Now, you need to look around and see if they're all matched up. Okay, now you need to pull around how one of these is oriented correct. Now they might be flipped around to tell if they're, not oriented, but to tell if they're in the right place. You're going to take red and blue, and red and blue should be right here. This one's the right place, this one is, and this one is. So I'm going to scramble it up and do it again, just so I can teach you. Like, there's like a 1 in 10% chance that that's going to happen. Wait, so let me do this, and I'm randomly scrambling it up. Okay, so this one has green, blah, 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 pull it back, pull it over, take it out, blue, have that right there. It's under, pull it under, pull it up. Oh wait, so I'm back to this. And so we need to put one of these in the right position. Now, okay, so this is in the right position. This is in the right, and this is in the right. Now, same case as last time, I'm actually going to scramble it up. Just so that you can, so I can show you. And now it's oriented on. Not oriented, but they're in the wrong, they're in the wrong place. When you do this, you want to do the algorithm. you want to go, it's going to be, you're going to face the cube. That's in the right position. I'm going to go up. This is up, this is left, this is right, and this is bottom, and this is front, and then this is back. So for this one, you want to go up, up. Oh, and inverted means non-clockwise, so you want to go up, right, top inverted, or up inverted, left inverted, up, R inverted, up inverted, and L left. Wait, in this case, look around, they're still not all, so you do it twice. Now, they are all there. So you want to come to, for this, you want to come to a cube, a cubey, or a cube, or little square corner. You want to come to a corner piece that is not, the yellow is not on the top. And you want to do this algorithm. It's going to be R inverted, down inverted, R down. I think that's what it is. And you want it to do it, oh, I'm not sure how many times, and it's going to look totally messed up. Well, that's okay. You want to spin the top layer till the other one gets down. You want to do that again. And there can be a number of times. And the last part, it's going to look like this. And I think you can figure it out like that. Now, to show off, you can do two algorithms. You can do this algorithm, R, up, right, and up. And if you do that 30 times, it will come back to normal. But if you ever mess up, you're going to mess up a lot, you're going to know how to do it. If you don't know how to do it, well, blah. And then that's the much like harder one. And there's this one that I use, is up, or R, up, R, inverted, up inverted. And you only have to do that one 6 times. It'll come back to normal. And then you can do this one, another one. It's R inverted. Okay, it was the same. Okay, so it's R inverted, down. Okay, so this is clockwise. Down inverted, R down. Now if you do this 6 times, it will actually, and then spin that around, ta-da. Okay, so that's how to solve it. This is the V cube white square.